Do it like this first. Pull like this. Here, no, like that. Yeah. So it will hook. Okay. Okay, enough. Enough. You just pull. Here, here now. You put it in your this one here in your legs. Yeah. Here. Okay, like this. Yeah.
There you go. Yay.
Up. Okay. See.